Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I want to show you this compact office chair, space saver office chair that this brand sent to me for this video, and I can't stop swiveling because this one is actually really smooth. Let's talk about how this one is going to actually save you some space. And my cat is about to jump right here on the table. I think in 3, 2, 1. Well, she's gonna stay there for now. But one thing, so let's talk about the assembly process. Assembly process, everything is explained right here, and it takes you probably about like 15 minutes, no more than that. It's actually a very simple assemble, so don't worry about that. But then this one, it is compact. It's not a big chair. It's not gonna be a super tall chair. You can see I'm 5'10", and I don't have a headrest over here. So this is more meant to be for saving space. This is more meant to be for if you lack of a space, if you have a studio, if you have a small apartment or something like that. And that is my cat, as I told you before. This one is gonna save you that space because you can see that you can flip the armrest and put the chair right here, kind of like under the desk. So that's actually pretty cool. Then something that I also like is right here, this mesh is going to be kind of like a really nice and elastic mesh, but firm more than anything right here on the cushion side. The cushion is actually really firm. I was actually surprised to see and to feel this cushion to be so firm, so kind of like thick, but at the same time like solid. So this is meant to be for sitting for long periods of time, and it supports 300 pounds. But the thing that surprised me the most is this right here, the super hard plastic. That's gonna be your lumbar support. So that is a really nice thing to have for when you are sitting again for long periods of time. So if you go back, all the way back, you're gonna see that this one, I don't want my cat to jump on my knees right now. Don't do it. But this one, you're gonna see that that plastic is making me to sit kind of like in a super nice and a straight position. But one more thing, besides that you can flip the armrest. Remember, as I told you before, this one also has, right here, you'll see it has a rocking feature. With this rocking feature, you will have that kind of like, oh my God, that chilling feature that you need for, again, when you're in productivity mode or home office or just, yeah, this is how we go right here. But yeah, just talking about this chair again, you can change the height of force. You can lock that rocking and don't rock at all. So that's another good feature. But I do like this chair because it's just so compact, space saver, and it's also comfortable. So I give it a thumbs up.